These are the convention center elevators at Nugget Hotel in Sparks, Nevada. Okay, see which one we get here. Oh, nope, not this one. Let's go down to B. Look at this, guys. We got the disappearing indicator. Here at B. B works. Going up? Yes, which floor?
One.
One?
Yes, sir.
Has this rare indicator. Very rare.
Yeah? Really?
Yes. You don't see these very often.
There you
go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good morning. Here we go. One works. These are amazing. Here are 3. Let's go back down to 2. Very nice elevator. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Lexan Fixtures. In 988 compliant phone. There goes in. That's it.